आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत आणि गोवा सरकार हांच्यातर्फे मुख्यमंत्री देवदर्शन यात्रा दिस इयर्स फर्स्ट ट्रेन या वर्षाची पहिली ट्रेन असा ती आमची मडगाव स्टेशना वयल्यान वालंकिनी सायबिणीच्या दर्शनाक वता अँड आयज त्या ट्रेनीक वी हॅव कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ समथिंग अराउंड 1200 पहिली 1000 असलेली वी थॉट दॅट इट वुड be insufficient. There should not be any inconvenience. We added some more bogies. पण सगळे आयज भरले ना पण इवन देन at the start of this I welcome all the yatris who have come by their own. हांगासून आयज सकाळचे 10:30 वरांचेर ही ट्रेन वयता ती आमची वालंकिनी वयता. So today is 9th. Tomorrow 10th January, it will reach exactly at this time to Valankini. And in Valankini, with Astana, when they get down, they will be taken on a coach to a hotel accommodation where they will have all तांचे कितें करपाचें उदक न्हावपाचें जावं बाकीचें सगळें and then they'll take a rest for a few hours and then the operator will drop them at the church. आणि चर्चाक आमी एक स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट केल्ले आसा थंयचे अधिकाऱ्यांक घेवन आणि थंय मास जातलो आणि त्या मासाच्या उपरांत दे विल गेव अराउंड 4-5 hours or 6 hours टाइम टू मूव अराउंड फॉर साइट सीइंग आणि त्यांचे भितरूच विदिन दॅट प्रिमाइस ओनली अँड देन दे विल बी टेकन बॅक टू दी हॉटेल अँड देन दे विल हॅव त्यांचे बाकीचे कितें करपाचें अँड सेम नाईट दे विल रिटर्न बॅक. They'll have to board in the train at 10 o'clock in the night on 10th. And 11 तारखेर at about 11 they will reach Goa back with this 3-day tour. Within this, त्यांका सगळे आमी refreshment, morning breakfast, afternoon lunch and dinner will be supplied. A very good food, hygienic food will be supplied by the tour operator, and they will be taken care everywhere. They need not spend a single rupee during this for any of the facilities. This is entirely free of cost journey to them, and this being a first time, maybe there was a short of time and there were some appeals made by some of these not to go and all these things, but we are happy that more than 50% of the bogies are filled and next tour would be on 19th to go to Ayodhya. त्या अयोध्या टुराचे खूपशी आयज मागणी जाल्ली आसा and if possible we will try to add on the bogies also because though we have not opened up the counters, there are a lot of inquiries and lot of MLAs are putting pressure. At this time also we have informed सगळ्या आमच्या आमदारांक 3 दीस पयलीं सांगले की they have to get prepared with that and a special login was also provided for that to get the people. At the same time, कोणी openly जे कोण login जावन त्यांचे booking आसात without any influence, without any pressure from anybody. Everybody, our portal was open, website was open, and this is how we got into this. This year, this is being a first train. But however, we are not short of any facility, as regards to their food, as regards to their bogie, their, convenience, त्यांची compartment, very clean, hygienic food, everything, and accommodation is also 3-star facility. This is provided by government of Goa, and I thank the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and the cabinet, entire cabinet, and the government for giving us such a facility for pilgrimage.